Hello, it's Angelo Pucci, and welcome to our newest listing at 11 Braeburn Avenue in beautiful Humber Heights in West Toronto. 2+1 bedroom detached bungalow, separate side door entrance. But to tell you more about it, Kim's standing by. Kim, let's take it away.
A well-maintained 2+1 bedroom brick bungalow situated within the Humber Heights neighbourhood of Toronto. Welcome to 11 Braeburn Avenue. This charming home has a large north-facing front porch with a raised gardening bed beside it, and its front entrance opens into bright and inviting principal spaces. The open concept living and dining rooms have a soft color palette, are finished with crown moldings, have wood baseboards complementing the hardwood flooring, and ambient brightness with the dining room light fixture, while the soft, natural lighting through the oversized front window accentuates the warmth and elegance felt in these entertaining spaces. The kitchen has a ceramic tiled floor and backsplash, as well as granite counters and a granite accent ledge above the stainless steel double sink. Light through the large front window accentuates the glass panel doors of the cabinet next to it, and the cabinetry, with its extended height uppers, offers great storage space, and the kitchen also includes all 4 appliances and has space for a cozy breakfast area. The ceramic flooring is continued through the rear hallway, off of which is access to the lower level, a coat closet, the 2 bedrooms, and the washroom. This 4-piece washroom has an acrylic bath and shower area, a pedestal sink, ceramic flooring, and wall-mounted toiletry cabinets. And both bedrooms are spacious, finished with crown moldings and hardwood floors, have ample closet storage, and enjoy south-facing exposures. The lower level has a separate side door entrance and is great for additional family recreation space or ideal as an in-law suite. This level has a large landing, off of which is closet storage and a cold room, a 4-piece washroom with a vanity, toilet, bidet, and a walk-in shower, as well as a kitchen. The kitchen has a stainless steel double sink, ample cabinetry storage, includes a fridge, and is wired for an electric oven. And just off the kitchen is a large storage room combined with a laundry area. Completing this level is a spacious family recreation room, as well as an equally spacious bedroom, both finished with laminate flooring and having oversized basement windows. The driveway extends to the backyard, where you find a detached 1.5-car garage with a separate storage shed behind it. There is a large interlocking patio area for plenty of outdoor entertaining space, and the deepness of the yard offers abundant gardening space with lots of natural lighting. A short walk to Riverlea Park and the Humber River, this home is also close to schools, TTC service, the Weston Golf and Country Club, as well as the Weston GO station, and enjoys quick access to Highway 401.